Hey friends, it's Bill Flagg here.
And I'm Cecilia Flagg. Welcome to 43 Sunlit Drive in beautiful Watchung. This HUD home sits on over 1.6 acres at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac.
With 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2 fireplaces, and over 3,000 square feet to make your dream home come alive. Here's what we like most. It's a fixer-upper with massive potential.
This means you get to build instant equity and design it your way. Want to open up the floor plan?
At a level,
You can do it. Financing is easy.
you can use an FHA 203K renovation mortgage or a conventional renovation loan to roll upgrades right into your mortgage.
That's how smart buyers create value and move in with built-in equity.